Back to Charles with Big Boss Crypto, bringing out day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on CHAINLINK. Today we're going to take a look at if this is the final move to the upside around the 30k area, or are we in for another move to the upside up to 32 to 34k. Well, let's look at the charts. So Bitcoin has made a really nice move the last couple of days to the upside. After the CPI numbers were released, we had some volatility, but now we are stable around the 30k area. The last couple of days we made some volume candles and I marked them off in the chart for you. First one, a short target down to 29.2k. If we break that, we will go down to 28.6k at least. Break that, we could go down to 28k. But if we zoom out a bit, you know the market makes structure. I'm going to draw it out for you to see where we are. We had a W bottom around March 11th. We had our first move to the upside. We had a second move to the upside. And now we are in a third and final leg up. What we need to see then in order for us to solidify a move to the downside is some kind of double top formation, which I've spoken about to you before. We could also continue with our move to the upside because a lot of retail traders will get trapped if we move to 32k. They will go long and buy up all the Bitcoin in the world, and that is where we'll form somewhat of a double top formation probably and move to the downside again. Something to look out for. The next target to the upside is, as I said, around 32 to 34k. We have a volume candle and a lot of orders which are unfilled in this zone, which we could take. We could also form the double top formation in the 30k area as well if we go sideways for a while and break this low right here, 29.6k. We could move further to the downside in 3 steps like this, down to 27k, and form a local low there. Something to look out for. Watch out for the double top formation in terms of price action. Very important that you see a confirmation and a close of that below the low right here, a 1 hour candle close. We had that at this one right here, and as I said to you, we didn't have a solid candle close below this low right here, which was the confirmation of a double top formation. If you look at my past day trading updates, we had some wicks below it and around it, but we didn't close a 1 hour candle below it, which was a confirmation of a double top, and that is where you could possibly go short, or that's at least how I trade. That's not financial advice. You do whatever you want to do. So that is what you have to wait for in order for you to go short and be sure to ride move to the downside. If we take a look at the news events for today, we have the core PPI numbers coming out and unemployment claims, which could rock the market for a while at least before it stabilizes. I don't think it's a big market mover. The CPI number came out yesterday as expected, so we didn't have much volatility afterwards in general. If we take a look at the liquidation map, we can see that we have a lot of money stacked here at 28.7k down to 28k, approximately $1 billion probably in this wrong right here, which the market maker could grab in the next move to the downside. Let's see if they form the double top formation, or if they go for the money here at 34k. We have a lot of liquidation points there as well and a lot of open orders, so a probability is that we go to this zone and then this zone right here will build even higher. A lot more money will come in and go long, and that is where the price will reverse and we'll go to 27k again. A possibility. We also have a lot of money stacked here at 19k, but we don't have to worry about that in the near term. So with that information, make your own conclusions and do whatever you want to do. Let's look at CHAINLINK. CHAINLINK is still moving sideways. If we zoom out a bit, we can see that we're still in our range right here between $6.7 up to $7.7. We've been in that range for a while now, at least since March 17th. And yeah, it's been a while. It's a good coin to accumulate when it moves sideways like this, but because then you can DCA and get good pricing in for a long-term investment. But if you want to day trade this coin, basically what you need to do, could be an idea, is to go short when we're close to $7.7. So when we're above $7.5, that's where you build your shorts. You start with one short at 7.5, next one at 7.6, and the last one at $7.7. And you ride it out and take some profit at let's say $7. You can start with profit taking, or at $6.8, or ride out to $6.7. Something that you could be doing to make some, I don't say easy money, but it's not easy, because you have to have your conviction and a calm and steady strategy so that you don't get shaken out if it has a wick to the upside. That's why I tend to build my shorts in 3 steps like this. First one at one price point, second one right here. So if I have a pot of $90, I go and place my shorts with $30 right here, 30 here, and 30 here, and set my stop loss where I think it will get invalidated, which in this scenario is at $8.2, so that I don't lose all my $90. But you do whatever you want to do. That's some idea I've been looking at, so I'm gonna write out and see if this is a good strategy, and start with placing my shorts at $7.5. That's basically the idea for CHAINLINK. I hope you learned something today. I'll show you 2 different trading strategies which you can use in your own daily trading. I hope you learned something today and that you like and subscribe. We'll see each other in the next video. Big Boss out.